So guys, this is my moi coming through. So I'll be using some coconut milk, some sardine, eggs, some sweets, pointed pepper and bell pepper, the red one, vegetable oil, onions, garlic, ginger, red pepper, tomatoes, stock cube, crayfish. Yo, coming through in 3, 2, 1. So yeah, this is the face of the cook. I just got back from shopping now. You guys must have seen that vlog before this one. This is my hot dog that is remaining here. I might just add this hot dog to it because it's just two that is left here. I'm not sure, but let me just keep it here. We just drank tea.
Mom, why are you making popcorn?
So guys, this is what we have: a big bucket of blended beans for the moi moi. If you guys know this custard popcorn bucket, you can see 250 gram. This is loads. I don't even know if these two packs here, I don't even know if it will be enough, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see. You guys, I couldn't turn in this one bucket because it was too big for me to turn it. Like, the bucket was completely filled up, so I had to pour some in this bowl and the rest here. So this is the coconut milk. I've poured in the coconut milk. Yeah, so that's it. Then I'll shred my sardine now, and then so this is me putting some oil in the pan so the so the moi moi doesn't stick in the pan. Okay. So yeah, we've put sardine in all of them. I will go ahead and put the eggs now, and then I'll top up more moi moi because I still got loads of moi moi here. So this is like the first layer, so I will top up more moi moi and then I'll put the eggs on top. Yeah, all set. Our egg, our sardine, everything check. So I'll cover it up now. Yeah, all covered now. I've popped them in my oven. I added some water, and from time to time I will still be putting water. Don't know if you guys can see the water. Can you guys see the water? Okay, so yeah, and I still have some here, so I want to pour them inside these plastic plates. Yeah. So as it is hot, this is what we have. So is here. We've eaten some, and a few are still inside here. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY, and you guys, welcome to a new video. Yeah, please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe, all right? So guys, I've been under the weather, but yeah, I said this video I must shoot it. I have an unboxing to do, and I think I did a video where I told you guys I got a camera, that someone gifted me a camera. So I've been trying to film with that camera. I don't know, the camera quality is okay, like I like the camera quality, but the audio is not really giving. It's not really giving. So let me show you guys the camera once again. So this is what the camera is looking like. It's a very cute and beautiful digital 4K Ultra HD digital camera, and it has this flip screen. Yeah, it's very okay. I love the picture quality, but it's just the audio. The audio is not really, it's kind of echoing. So I want to buy a microphone and attach to it because it has a microphone port like here. So I want to buy a microphone and connect it to this port, and then maybe try using it with the microphone to see how it works. If it's okay with the microphone, then we got a camera. But if it's not okay with the microphone, I might still be shooting videos with it, maybe videos I will shoot and put and do a voiceover, or and put a background music. I might be shooting that with this camera. But if the microphone happens to be given, you guys, we have a camera. Yeah, and yeah, so I want to check, I will check on Amazon and order a microphone. If it's okay, then good, we are good to go. I'll attach the microphone and also buy a stand because it has a stand thingy here. But I think I have an old, yeah, so I have this microphone. This was the microphone I used to use when I shoot my videos with my Samsung phone, this microphone. So I think I will, this one, I think I will attach it to, this one here, just like this, and see how it goes. Let's just try it. So I'll be shooting with this and this camera now. So let me set this camera up. And so guys, I've set the camera up now. It has a long wire, so the camera is right in front of me here, and I'm shooting with this one. So I just want to compare to know what the audio is like here. But I don't know. But yeah, we have an unboxing. I don't know where I will keep this thing now. Where will I keep this? Should I place it on my clothes as well? Okay, yeah, maybe. No, it's too low here. Let's just keep it somewhere here. Yeah, we are trying to watch the camera, yeah? So guys, we have an unboxing. So this is what we got. I already opened the bag. So this thing is a 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. That's what it's looking like. Someone gifted me this as well. See, you guys, a lot of people have just been getting gifts. But it's not really gift as per se. It's a business kind of gift. But yeah, let me just show you guys in case, because I know that some of you might need something like this. So that's why I said let me just show my community, my fans, my audience. So if you want to buy, you can buy this. It's on Amazon. Let me just show you guys what it's looking like. So it's called a 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. Yeah. So let's open it. So if you open it, what's this? Warning. This is like a warning. Not compatible with Samsung devices. Please apply for return before use. Okay, it's only compatible with iPhones. iPhone 15, 14, 13 and 12 series do not support non-magnetic phones. Okay, for iPhone 15, 14, 13 and 12. Alright, so magnetic wireless charger. So yeah, this is the manual. And yeah, so this is the stuff itself. So if you open the bag, you have a charger. This is a USB charger, type C one. And this is a charger head. So this is the product itself. Okay, let's just keep this. So this is what it's looking like. Okay. So I think this is where you plug your Apple Watch. Okay. AirPods, charger for AirPod 2. It's for AirPod 2, 3 Pro and Pro 2. Can work with A200 blah 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 AirPod cases. Do not support A2 blah 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 blah. Okay, so here they specify the type of AirPod it can charge. So this section here is for AirPod. This one is for your watch, Apple Watch, and then this section here is for iPhone. As if these people know, I have plans of getting an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yeah. So maybe when I get my iPhone 16, my iPhone 16 Pro Max, I will be charging it with it. But yeah, it's a gift and I love it. So if you have an Apple phone, an iPhone, yeah, an Apple Watch and an AirPod, this is a good buy. I think it was on Amazon for £32, few p, something like that, sharp. But yeah, this is what it is. My 3-in-1 magnetic charger. So yeah, this can be used for if you're traveling. Yeah, you can just use it. So, and if you want to charge this device, it has a spot here. Just plug it here, plug this on the wall, and then it's in your extension or whatever, and it will start charging. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's the unboxing. I said let me come and do. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Okay, I'll see you. So this section here is for AirPod, this one is for your watch, Apple Watch, and then big section here is for iPhone. Woo! Oh my god, oh my god, that's so beautiful. Ooh, can you see the fireworks? Oh dear. Oh my god, this fireworks. Wow. Wow. Let me stop it. Wow. Can you see that? It's so beautiful.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you?
Dreams keep flying away, a song we're far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on the street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slip to the right, bind it to the blue. I slip to the right, bind it to the blue. I slip to the right, bind it to the blue. I slip to the right. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Dreams keep flying away, a song we're far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go.